Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we have a compelling topic to explore: why wear hijab in Islam, benefits and protection. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the deep insights behind the practice of hijab. So, stay with us as we investigate its importance and the benefits it offers to those who choose to wear it. Our first point is obedience to Allah's command. Wearing hijab is an act of obedience to Allah's command, deeply rooted in the Quran and Hadith. Let's move on to our second point: preserving modesty. Hijab is a symbol of preserving modesty, providing a shield against immodesty and objectification, preserving dignity. Now, let's explore the benefits. Wearing hijab empowers individuals by allowing them to assert their identity and break stereotypes. Hijab acts as a shield against unwanted attention and disrespectful behavior. Hijab encourages people to judge based on inequalities, emphasizing the beauty of character. Wearing hijab in Islam is an act of obedience, preserving modesty, empowering, offering protection and respect, and emphasizing inner character. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences and insights in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thank you for